This is a quick review for 63892 part number Drummond Submersible Sump pump. It does say it's for wells and whatever, and also the discharge hose kit comes with two fittings. I do need to remove some or quite a bit of water from my pool. It doesn't say it's good for pools, but well, here we are. $60 pump, $20 discharge hose kit, and I need to remove 1 foot to dilute my water because I have too much salt in it. Here's the flow you're getting out of it. I think it's good. $80 well spent, even if I just use it for once. Good. So if you're satisfied with this kind of flow, that's the pump for you. Very budget friendly setup. Maybe I can even use it for more than once. That's a 1/4 horsepower. Once I finish using it, I will go ahead and rinse it off with clean water, so the salt ain't gonna do much damage to it. Plug and play. As long as the float is up and it's connected to power, it's gonna be pumping.